welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really cute fun wig. It is a short curly human hair glueless wig from AISI Hair store on Amazon. It does have a side part to it, and you wouldn't believe that it's 8 inches. Also, this hair is so versatile that, as you can see here, when I first got it, it was curly and it had a lot of body to it. When I first put it on, I didn't think that it would be this big, but when I started to comb out the curls and they started to set in, it looked so full and it was so pretty, you guys. I just couldn't get over how it looked, and I can just envision myself wearing this wig out. I think it's like a sexy type of wig. It's really pretty. I imagine doing my makeup and having like a cute dress on with some red lipstick. You guys let me know. I think it was giving me those types of vibes, but I love this hair so much. It's soft. It doesn't shed. It shed a little bit, actually. It was shedding, but it's not really overly shedding. So I decided that I wanted to do something a little different because I do have a lot of curly units on my channel, and I wanted to just, do something versatile, and I wanted to kind of see what this hair could do. But initially I was just going to wear it curly because I really don't have any wigs that are like this loose of a wave that are this short. But after sitting and thinking about it for a while, this is my first day unboxing it. I kind of sat on it and I thought about the possibilities with this hair. And here you see me getting excited. It came out so pretty, and this is how it looked. So after a day or two, I came back to actually film to do the hair, and I decided that I wanted to blow the hair out. Now, I decided this because I seen the hair had a lot of body, and it seemed like the type of hair that would look really nice if I was to like actually blow it out or even straighten it. But blowing out to me gave it, I thought it would give it more body and just like a different layered look. So you see me here wetting the hair. I kind of try to drench it a little bit with some water and get it detangled before I started the process. And you guys are going to see me do all of that on camera. Okay, you guys, dun, dun, dun. This is the product that makes everything look bomb on this wig. So if you haven't already purchased this, go get this blow dryer. It is amazing. I don't know if you guys know about it, but my sister has it, and she's Puerto Rican and black, so she uses this product. And I used it for the first time a few years ago on my wig, and I was so amazed. Like, my wig was so flowy, it was beautiful. I had the most volume I've ever had in my wig, and I was just impressed. So I always use this on my hair to get it big and volumized. So I decided to use this tool on this wig, and it really blew my mind. So here you see me working it through the hair, and it's really easy to use. If you don't know how to do a traditional blowout, this is a great tool for you. But here you see me going through the hair, working it through. And wow, I'm even like, wow, you can read my lips. I'm amazed. So I was trying to find the best way I wanted to go about going through the hair. So you will see me during this segment going back and forth, putting it on my head and then putting it back on the dome head, just to, get around the whole entire head and make sure that I'm hitting all of the sections on the wig. So I'm just going to let you see me go through this process, and I will be back. So here she is, you guys. She is looking amazing. I would love to know what you guys think about this hair and what I did with it. This was just something very spontaneous, but again, I love that tool, and you will be seeing me use it a lot in my wigs, especially like my longer hair wigs. It looks very beautiful. If you guys want a tutorial on it and how I use it, please let me know. I will be linking that product down in my description box on where you can purchase it, because I know you guys might be asking for it. But get into this hair, honey. Oh my god, it has so much volume. It's soft. I only used bio silk in it, and that was it. I didn't do anything else to it, guys. So I'm gonna do a 360, and yeah, there she is. Alright guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. As always, it's a pleasure, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.